Hi, I'm doing a giveaway on this Kindness Karen yarn, and I just asked that if you'd like to participate, comment down below something crochet related, perhaps what you're working on, and make sure you're a subscriber. And I have promotions listed down below if you'd like to take a look. I have a new Facebook page, crochet page, and group if you'd like to join, Knit Crate, Etsy store, and my 2 crochet books for sale on Amazon. Now this yarn, it can be found on Amazon. I think I've showed the link for this one before, so look down below if you'd like to see it in different colors. It's 7 ounces, pink and a medium forward, very soft in texture. Do recommend it, very pretty. And just come back in a couple weeks, or about a week to a week, 2 weeks, to see if you're the winner. And just make sure you're a subscriber. This is sponsored by me, not YouTube. Okay, so thank you for watching.